lang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Nagumabaw na kasiyahan ang hatid ng many prizes ngayong third quarter.
Dahil July na at halos isang taon na tayo magkakasama, walang patid na ligaya ang pagsasaluhan natin mula ngayong Sabado!
Kaya ano ba hinihintay natin? Join na tayo sa kasiyahan dahil simula parang, ay nako, pagpapakalinan ng magsayaw ang MMP Girls.
Ay, may patalbugan rin si Bella Padilla, Rich Asuncion, Ina Sisto at Kylie Padilla.
Kasama rin dyan sina Dominic Rocco, Enzo Pineda at Steven Silva with Rhea Ramos.
Let's go to the beat, let's go get away. They say, hey, what they gonna say? Have a drink, down the Bud Light. Bad girls like me, I'm hard to come by. If it's gone, on, let's go get it on. In the song, on, yes, I'm in the zone. Had 2, 3, tip quickly, blow off money and think
I wanna go, I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships are meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do it one more time. Starships are meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one more time. Hands up, we're getting another.
bumping my hoochie hoochie hoochie. I own that and I ain't pay my rent this month. I owe that. But pick who you want and pick who you like. Take your whole life, there's no end in sight. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now everybody here say ray, ray, ray and spend all your money 'cause they pay. And if you're a cheat, then cheat. My name is Reen, you can call me Riri.
Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one more time. Hands up,
We're higher than our mother.
starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky.
Let's do this one last time. Hands up, we're higher than our mother. Magsitayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay nating salubungin ang pagdating ng ninong nating lahat. Nandito na siya, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Hello! Hello! Magandang gabi mga kapuso! Ganado ako ngayong gabi dahil mamimigay ng papremyo. Dahil nakita ko kayong lahat ganadong ganado at masigla.
Palakpak naman dyan! Alam kong magaling kayong lahat sumayaw. Ha? Pero sigurado akong mas gusto nyong kumanta. Tama ba ako? Ha? Kaya sige na, ibigay na ang hilig bawat Pilipino. Ano pang hinintay nyo? Mag-boxing ano na tayo! Kasama ang ano ko, siyempre, si Pekto.
Hi, Ninong. Nong, ha? Sabay tayo, Nong.
Okay.
Okay. Ola ko. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. No.
I know just how to fade it, and I know just how to feel. I know just when to face the truth, and I know just when to dream.
Yun, no? Okay. Sino contestant mo dyan? John Fair!
Ayan.
Perfecto, Ninong! Kasama ko ngayon si Jake Gomez, taga Santa Cruz, Zambales. Ready ka na ba, Jake? Ha? Hahataw ka na? Okay. 1, 2, 3!
Where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when you pull your clothes up, and I know when you let you lose. And I know the night is fading, then I know the time's gotta fly. And I'm never gonna tell you, never gonna tell you, but I know I'll never give it a try.
Jake, punta ka na kay Ninong! Paolo, anong balita dyan?
Hay nako, puro Eto dito, Romeo Ramos ng Gaban City. Kaya-kaya mo to, ha? Ready na, Romeo, go! And I know the roads to riches, and I know the ways to fail. I know what the rules, but I don't know what to break them. I don't know it's the name of the game. That I don't know how to leave you, and I'll never let you go. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all. Okay! Iba! Oh, boy pala, boy! Sino nandyan?
Alright! Kasama namin ngayon si James Binoya.
Katukayo ko! Katukayo ko!
Oo, taga San Carlos ng Pangasinan. Oh.
Okay, nagilas ka na! Ito na!
Every time I see you on the razors of stardust, peering through the waves of your hair, and every star in the sky is taking more of my light like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a climb and it's lost, and it's looking for a rhythm I keep. You can take it 20 for the beat of the night, and all I'm gonna wait right better end this bright. I gotta follow when you say it, yeah, I know you're never gonna give it to you. Takbo ka na kanina!
Galing!
I can make the road stumble.
I can make the final way,
And I can make every tackle of the sound of the wind, so I can make a mistake in fire. I can make tonight forever, or I can make this a be by the tale. And I can make every promise that the ever could make, and I can make all the demons prevail.
and I'm never gonna make it without you. Do you really wanna see me grow? Yeah. And I'm never gonna make it like you do, making love out of nothing at all.
Galing!
You know, ha?
Ang galing! Kaya naman, ang gagaling kumanta ng tatlo. Kaya may 5,000 na kaagad.
Yun, oh!
Thank you po.
5,000.
5,000! 5,000! At hindi dyan nagtatapos dahil dadagdagan ko ng 10,000 kung sinong pinakamagaling bumirit dito sa gitna. Okay? Oh, sino unang manok?
Ninong, sa akin muna, si Jake. Ibang klase ang boses ito, powerful.
Jake.
Bumabasag ng hollow blocks. Ganun kalakas.
Galing.
Wala, dinaan
Nong,
kami
di
sa
kami
hangin.
magpapatalo, siyempre, Nong.
Dinaanan ko sa hangin, dinaanan ko sa hangin.
Okay.
Dito.
Bumabasag yan, bumabasag.
Bumabasag din ba yan?
Wala. Maganda itong manok ko. Tingnan mo naman yung anak, manok ko. Kamukha ni Arnel Pineda. Di ba? Ito, anak ni Eric Pineda. Okay. Ito na. Ready? Ready ka na? Huwag mong pahiyain, ha? Go! Tilat mata, tilat mata!
Every time I see you on the race of the sun, a heart swimming to the roots in your hair. She can take the darkness from the beat of tonight and turn it to a back and burning endlessly bright. I gotta battle it 'cause everything I know, but it's nothing till I give it to you.
Galing! Ang galing!
Pwede na.
Oo.
Pero ito,
Nong,
Pwede.
bumabasag din to.
Ito naman kamukha ni
Siyempre,
Alamid.
di kami magpapatalo, Nong. Di ba? Kung sa kanya bumabasag ng ano, Hollow
Hollow
Blast. Ito, bumabasag ng trip to, Nong.
Basag tape, ganon.
Basag trip to. Hindi. Hindi, katukayo ko. Oh, gusto mo backup dancer? O, abante ka. 1, 2.
Every time I see you on the race of a sun, screaming to the waves in your head. She can take the darkness from the pit of the night and turn it to the big and burning endless ride. I gotta follow it 'cause everything I know, but it's not until I give it to you.
Galing!
Ay, nako. Medyo mahirap to ngayon.
Okay, sandali lang.
Wala na. Okay na, Nong.
Pekto!
Sandali lang.
Pekto!
Sandali lang. Yung manok nila, wala yon sa manok ko. Okay.
Ayun eh.
Ang manok ko, kumakain ng microphone. Okay, sige.
Bumabasag din.
Wag mo ako ipahiya.
Okay, no. Pait, ako nagsimula, ako magtatapos. Every time I see you on the rays of the sun, I swim into the wind in your head. You can take it down the dawn of the night and turn it to a big and burning endlessly bright. I gotta follow it 'cause everything I know it is nothing till I give it to you.
Wala.
Tama na, tapos na. Tapos na.
Aba.
Tapos na.
Dapat dyan sa totoo lang, ikaw ang manalo, ha? Decision time.
Ang gagaling pa rin sila magaling.
Okis.
Palakpakan na lang sa mga audience. Sino dito? Palakpakan!
Mahina.
Okay, dito! Okay, dito! Ayun.
Dinaan mo kami sa shades, ha?
Tingnan natin, ha?
Siya isang nagdala.
Parang
Okay.
meron na tayong nanalo.
Okay, ganito na lang.
Oh.
Paghatian na lang nila number 1, number 2 at saka number 3 ang 10,000.
Ang pait.
Okay.
Okay.